I love Caldrea for cleaning my home and making it smell so inviting and fresh. They have a variety of incredible scents, but Pear Blossom Agave has been one of my favorites forever. I usually use their countertop spray, but Caldrea sent me their room freshener for review, and this is a game changer because now I don't even have to clean my room to make it smell as wonderful as this does. Let me tell you all about it. You can get this Pear Blossom Agave in all the different cleaners that Caldrea provides, but this is not a cleaner. This is a linen and room spray. So if you want your linens to smell like this, what an incredible treat. Or you can just spray it in your room and the smell will really last. What I love is it's not too crazy overpowering, but it holds for at least 24 hours. Usually a few days later, I can still smell it, which is just so incredible. And I don't know if I ever would have tried Pear Blossom Agave if my mom hadn't told me this one's amazing. It has the smell of melon and citrus. So it's almost a sweet smell, but the citrus undertone really keeps it nice and fresh and inviting. And if this isn't the smell for you, Caldrea makes quite a variety of incredible smells. Now to use, you really do just spray it right into your room, and you don't really want to spray too much. You can spray it onto furniture if you want to, but I do find that it really does float and just go through the air and go everywhere if I spray it into the middle of the room instead. That's the way I like to use it. But now that I've sprayed it in my room, it doesn't smell chemically at all. It just has this really lovely, refreshing smell that makes my space feel more inviting. I cannot recommend Caldrea enough, and I am so thrilled they sent me their room spray, as this makes making my home smell like this incredible Pear Blossom Agave scent so much easier. I am confident you will love this product, and I really hope you give Caldrea a try.